Yep.
We just got all 5 of the firecrackers. Never have ever got 5, so this is like the first time. Ready? Are you ready? Ready?
All right.
And the volume, I can't turn it up.
All right. All 5 of them busted.
I wish the volume was, I wish I could turn the volume up. I got something, come on. Something down here. I gotta get something down the bottom.
Come on, you gotta get some on the bottom.
I know. Come on. Oh,
There you go.
thank God.
Ooh, there you go. Ooh, times 3.
Come on.
Oh, come on. Get it. There you go.
Something down here.
There you go.
I keep waiting for the bird to go through. Come on, get something.
There you go. Come on, bird. Where are you?
I think there's too much going on.
Oh, gosh. 3 times, 3 times. Everything's 3 times.
It is. I didn't know
Except for the top 2.
Yeah. Where's my bird?
There you go.
There they are. To me, they should come through 2 birds at a time.
Yeah. Come on. Oh. Oh, come on. You need something at the bottom.
Yeah. Come on, get it. Get it.
Oh, it's done.
Bird, come on, bird. Oh.
Get it. Oh, it's done.
It's done.
3 times. 3 times. 3 times.
Heck yeah, mama.
And that's how you do it.
Heck yeah. On a $1 bet. $115.
I still have my Q play.
Yeah.
40 in Q play.
And that's how it's done. Hey,